Everybody say
To you.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Iyak ka.
Happy birthday.
Iyak na, iyak.
And once again, happy birthday, Mr. Joseph. Okay, so now, Mr. Joseph, please proceed now on the mirror together with the family. Natin po ng mga anak. Samahan po natin ang ating celebrate on our center stage. Okay, let's go. Dito po tayo. Family, sa gitna po tayo. Happy family, let's go. Okay, so now once again, family, please on the middle. Okay, so now family, once again, please proceed on the middle. Let's go. Okay, so now before you welcome address, everyone please remain standing. Manatili pa rin po tayong nakatayo. Okay, so now let's start this, of course, with our opening prayer. To be led by Mr. Marlon Hernandez. Okay, we'll have to go Mount Virgie. Nasaan po si Mount Virgie? Let's go, ma'am. Okay. Kayo po ang naatasan para po sa ating paunang panalangin for today's celebration.
Nabasa ko agad.
Sige po, ihanda po natin o ihanda ating mga sarili.